Hi, my name is Mamie Chow. I'm a licensed acupuncturist, and it's been a while since I've done one of these videos because I moved up to Sonoma County with my partner to be closer to our horses. And I also needed a little break because, frankly, the pandemic has taken its toll. And actually, this is what I wanted to talk about in this video. My first in a few months is to really just reflect on the effects of the pandemic on the health, at least of my patients, and some of the trends I've been seeing. So even before the pandemic, people are already quite exhausted and dealing with a lot of stress and trauma, living through 3 years of Donald Trump in office, because most of my patients are people of color, queer people of color, trans, non-binary people of color, conscientious white people, and immigrants, people who have basically been targeted by the Trump administration, and people really feared for their personal safety and their livelihood and just frankly the future of our planet. So there was a lot of already fear and stress. And according to Eastern medicine, certain emotions will affect certain organs, such as fear really drains the kidneys. Overthinking, over worrying will drain digestive spleen energy. Grief will specifically target the lungs. Frustration and anger will target the liver, and mania or obsessive thinking will target the heart. So you add on top of that situation a global pandemic that's lasted basically 3 years, and a lot of fear and a lot of paranoia has meant people have really lost a lot of their kidney energy. So more than ever, I'm just seeing a lot of adrenal burnout and bone degeneration, early signs of aging, as well as a lot of blood draining. So a lot of insomnia, loss of hair, and dry skin issues. So because the pandemic has really affected people's kidneys and blood, that's what we're seeing, which is why it's so important to get time to rest and to be out in nature with animals, just resting and giving our brains a chance to quiet from all of the fear and the paranoia and the stimulation of social media. So I just wanted to acknowledge that there is a lot of wide stem depletion going on, to really just take some time for yourself and imagine that it may take a year or two to really recover that which has been lost from the pandemic, just in terms of our kidney energy and blood. So here comes my beautiful horse Ocho. I gotta go, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hi, Ocho.